guys, welcome again in my channel Smart Tech Skill. Today I get best video for you. You can learn lots of skill from my channel. Must subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Today we're going to talk about what equipment required for refrigerator repairing. So let's talk about that. I'm going to explain you each and everything what kind of material you require for maintenance your refrigerator. That's very simple thing. You just need to know that what is your refrigerator fault. Just after knowing that, you need a plant, welding plant. After that, you need a tool bag, and also you need manifold gauge, hose pipes, copper rods, much more things. So today we're going to discuss about that. For maintenance refrigerator, you must have manifold gauge, which is low pressure gauge in the market. So you have to get that thing. After that, you need a hose pipe, which is used for gas filling in your refrigerator. There is compressor. You can find out most of detail in this sheet. You can see that R134 gas will be filling on this refrigerator. So each and every refrigerator, as you gonna recharge, there must be watch out gas detail in this sheet. After that, you need a tool bag. What type of tool bag? That is gas charging tool bag, which is most important for maintenance refrigerator. In this tool bag, you need a copper rod, brass rod, and you also need wire brush. Whenever you find out leakage from your refrigerator backside of piping, so you must be welding on those pipe. How you can do that? You need a welding plant for doing the same job, and welding plant you can buy from market in very cheap prices. As I show in my video title, I bought that plant around 5,000 in Pakistani rupees. So you can find out in a market very cheap prices welding plant. This is our cylinder, which is gas R134. So you can use it. Very small gas cylinder. I have it. I made it myself. So now then you need a wire brush like this. You must get that wire brush that is very small and useful for refrigeration maintenance, all piping clearance. This is very good and best. You can use it like this. Alright, that's very small. Must get that wire brush from market. This our cylinder, and you required a one tool bag and one gas charging bag. This is our plant setup. How you can use it? In this plant setup, I can recharge around 15 to 20 refrigerator each times. So that is very good. So you can also have the same type of plant if you want. Now I'm going to explain you how I made it. You can see that there is a big one, oxygen plant, oxygen cylinder. I bought that from market around 3,000. So that is very cheap for me. And you can see that there is welding torch, which I have very small and clear. That is China torch, and I bought that from market around 1200. And that is LPG cylinder. I bought that just in 500. So that is close to the manifold gauge located with plant setup. You can see that with oxygen plant, that is gauge. I bought that gauge around 1500. So your welding plant will be set around under 5,000. So that is good. Must get this type of plant and start your home service if you interested in the same job as I do. That is our gas charging bag. Different type of pipes and joints I have in this bag. Whenever I work and remove all pipes, so I will collect all piping in this bag. You can see that. And also I have backup filters, dryers, and also I have pin valve already, so that I can work easily. in home service. That is useful for home service. It's very easy to do work for me. Whenever I want to go somewhere for maintenance refrigerator for my customer, and whenever I get complaint from my customer side, then I just get my all things in my backpack. It's very easy to go anywhere without your helper. You just have to fix your backpack in your backside and motorcycle, and just you can go. So it's very simple trick. If you want to know that how can I get and how can I go and how can I ride a bike with these all tools, so you can also watch video. I also made it video. You can also watch the vlogging video which I made it before, which I uploaded before already. So must watch that video, how I am going, how I went, and how I'm riding on bike alone without helper, how I start my work in a customer home. So these all things you can find out in my channel. So must watch that video. I also get the link of my description. You can watch this also, and you can find out the chat. If you start your work in refrigerator, must read this chat with made by company. You can see that model number 9188D class T refrigerant, what kind of refrigerant you have to charge on refrigerator. So R134 in this refrigerator we have to charge it, and what type of voltage required in your refrigerator. 240 to 220 volt required in this refrigerator. Must watch these all details and then start your work. That's my plant setup. It's very mini plant which you can get everywhere with you. It's very easy. You don't need your helper to get your system with you. You don't need any help, any other person. So that is our refrigerator which I start, and I weld in, and now my job is done. You can see that that is all breezing which I done it already. Breezing, that is brass welding, that is brass welding also, and copper welding also, you can see that. So with that equipment, must purchase this type of mini setup which is very helpful for you in future if you want doing your work alone without any helper. You need a hose pipe, you need a manifold gauge for measuring gas pressure, you need a small cylinder for gas charging, you need a welding plant, you need a welding plant gauge, you need a welding torch, you also need extra tool bag which is very useful for extra tools if you need it. But if you don't need extra bag, then you must need your gas charging tool bag, that is high pressure gauge. So now you can see that it's very easy for doing work in your customer home if you want. If you are interested in my video, then must comment how is that. If you like my videos, then must subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you can receive notification of each uploaded video which I made in my channel. I also made all videos like around 2 languages. So one is the English which you hearing right now, and one is also Urdu. So if you are interested, then must be watch my all videos. It is very interesting. If you want more videos closely in English language, then comment me, and I will also make the same video in English language. If you want any video you want, then just comment me. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. Must subscribe my channel. God bless you.